Anak, we want a baby. You? You're not a baby. You're an ate. Anak, we need a baby. A new baby. Why? You're an ate na, right? Mama and Papa will buy you a makeup, a dress, and a shoes, right?
No!
Why?
Mine!
Gani, we buy you a new dress, and with exchange of the dress, we have to make a new baby.
No!
A small, tiny baby.
No!
Why? Why, man? Why? Did you not need a baby, sister? Why? Why? Nga, wala kay ka-play. Human imong ka-play ug wala kay baby sister.
Suko ate.
Ngano masuko man? Ngano gani masuko ka? Wala man tay baby, small nga baby. Anak, wan raman. Ngano di man kaganan manghuran? Ha? Ngano dili kaganan manghuran, nak? Ngano uy? Mama and Papa need a new baby, a small baby.
Baby.
Yeah, when you are start schooling, Mama and Papa will board in house.
No. Pick up dress. Shoes.
Yeah, I will buy you a makeup and a dress, but first we have to make a baby.
No.
Why?
Yes. Baby tummy.
Yeah, one lang, okay? Okay.
Hey, Papa.
Oh, Mama will buy you a makeup, okay? Ha, baby ha, one.